In 2022, my wife and I decided to get a financial advisor. And honestly, in terms of setting ourselves up to create generational wealth, it's the best decision we could have made. First off, let me just say that I had a huge misconception about how financial advisors actually work. I always avoided them generally because I thought that they charge a bunch of money and that's basically how they work. And that couldn't be farther from the truth, at least with the guy that we're working with. It's really simple. They just ask you a bunch of questions to get a good understanding of your current financial situation, what your goals are for, your financial future and everything else. And then they cater recommendations specifically to what your, level of risk tolerance is, what your current financial setup is, and everything else. And the best part is we didn't have to pay a penny for all of that advice. And we got set up with some really great structures and vehicles that are just going to help us along our path to creating generational wealth that much faster. So really, there's no downside to having a financial advisor as a part of your team. They can work hand in hand with your CPA. And most importantly, they're the professionals and they can really help present all the options that are available to you. And then it's up to you which ones that you want to pick that you think are best for you. But having all those options presented to you is really a win-win situation. So as you and your family are putting together your financial plan to create generational wealth, consider consulting a financial advisor. It can do nothing but help you.